The Taliban are explicit about their mission. They want to eliminate women and girls from every aspect of public life and erase them from society. They have created a system of gender apartheid. The Taliban have issued more than 100 laws to strip away women's rights. Their cruelty knows no bounds. Under their system of gender apartheid, the Taliban are punishing women and girls who dare to break their obscure laws by beating them up, detaining them, and harming them. Simply put, the Taliban do not see women as human beings. They cloak their crimes in cultural and religious justification. But let us be absolutely clear. There is nothing Islamic about this. These policies do not reflect the teachings of Islam. In fact, they go against everything our faith stands for. They are violations of human rights, and no cultural or religious excuse can justify them.